Recessed lighting, an island, stainless steel appliances. It's an open concept. Hardwood floors, not rugs. You have an area where there's an organ. These windows get a lot of sun on the south side. The handicap access ramp makes it easy. You might have a use for it yourself, or your company does. The music corner. Another angle, a peek at the kitchen and the sunroom or the den. It's not your living room. The formal dining room and the living room are through this doorway. There's a built-in china closet. Now we're in the living room. It has some built-in bookcases, an archway from that formal dining room. This gets a lot of morning sun. The French doors separate the front hall foyer. There's a bedroom on the first floor, also a walk-in closet, a full bath. There's another full bath upstairs. This is the way to do it, a pocket door for the bathroom and the stackable washer dryer that moves around. Built-in storage cabinet, smart. Okay, off the kitchen is the bedroom and the dressing area, or little study. New hardwood floors. That's a walk-in closet. This gets a lot of sunshine. The backyard is deep. There's a new pool liner, a new pump, and they use that pool a lot. The front door, where the trick-or-treaters knock and ask for candy, on the front of the house has an entry stoop. There's also a closet in the front hall. 2 bedrooms and a bath on this level. Ideal for a set of twin beds. There's another walk-in closet. These windows are the tilt-in, insulated vinyl type. Full bath with a tub and a shower. And there's a heat lamp. Here's your other bedroom on the second floor with a double closet. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate channel. Your garage is oversized, has a power door, and there's a wheelchair lift. Please like this video and consider subscribing to the link below. Look down below for more information, the price, other information.